It's Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen live and under 5. Here's what you missed.
P-Valley, y'all. You know the rest.
All the way from Tuscaloosa, Mississippi.
This is dedicated to Uncle Clifford, Mr. Nico, capital A period.
Uncle Clifford!
Sugar Pearls, Caribbean, Bud Crust.
Wangs.
Coming to a cabinet near you. It's got actual flour in here. It smells amazing. It's a little bit on the spicy side, but it gives you that Caribbean jerk punch. Bud Crust. Down in the valley where the girls get naked. If you're throwing bands, then you know she gonna shake it. 1, 2, breaker. 3, 4, breaker. I'll plate it up nicer tomorrow, but these must be devoured right away or they will go bad. Okay, they won't really go bad because ain't nobody gonna make time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm just slathering more of that Wang sauce. Yeah, you can drink it. You want to drink your Wang sauce? I know. I want this to be in slow motion for you so bad. Cause they are hot. Oh God. P-Valley Wangs. Let's devour. Look at that, cooked all the way through. Yeah. I'm gonna eat the flat first because that's my favorite. Dip it in that sauce again. You got a nice silky red sauce. That's why I say use Frank's. Oh my goodness, the tangy. Do you hear that crunch? Oh my God. Can I make these for you? We didn't fry that chicken. This is so freaking good. I don't know if this is what P-Valley's Wangs taste like on the set, but if nobody from Kraft is making it like this, then I would love to give it a shot. I'm gonna eat. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me tonight.
Always great food, always lots of laughter. On Sugar Pearl Studio Kitchen live.
I love you, and I hope you love me back. Bye.
Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back.